Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's unboxing video features the Skydroid YL20 multifunction video transmission box. The Skydroid YL20 is equipped with a G-series receiver and uses a new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.4 GHz 5.8 GHz dual-band wireless module and antennas. It supports automatic frequency hopping and independent dynamic MCS adjustment, providing clearer images, lower latency, longer transmission distances, and stronger interference resistance. At the same time, the YL20 has been optimized for weak signal environments, making it more flexible for use with drones, robots, and various industrial control devices. Next, let's open the package and take a look at the YL20 configuration. Inside the box you'll find the Skydroid YL20 multifunction video transmission box. Two antennas, one XT60 power cable, and one PPM cable. That's everything included in the box. Next, let's take a look at the main features of the Skydroid YL20. The YL20 integrates data, video, and control into a 3-in-1 link. It combines remote control commands, multi-source data, and HD video transmission into a single communication link, eliminating the need for additional communication modules. For wireless communication, the YL20 supports both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequency bands. It can automatically switch between frequency bands according to the actual operating environment and requirements. This helps maintain a stable signal while further improving communication efficiency and interference resistance. Under ideal conditions, the YL20 can achieve a maximum telemetry and video transmission range of up to 30 kilometers, meeting the communication requirements of long-range unmanned equipment. In addition, the YL20 supports master-slave mode switching. It can be paired with a GR01 receiver and used as the master device. It can also be paired with another YL20 and used as the slave device. In slave mode, it can replace a receiver, further improving the flexibility of the YL20. It should be noted that the YL20 does not support telemetry when operating in slave mode. Next, let's take a look at the dimensions and specifications of the YL20. The YL20 itself measures 95 mm, 70 mm, 20 mm, with an overall length of approximately 290 mm after the antennas are installed. The unit weighs approximately 159 g, with an operating voltage of 7.2 V, ADV, and an operating temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. For the operating frequency bands, the 2.4 GHz band is 2400, 2476 MHz, and the 5.8 GHz band is 5725, 5829 MHz. It also supports automatic frequency hopping, allowing the operating frequency to be dynamically adjusted according to the actual environment. The YL20 can be used with various unmanned platforms, including helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multi-rotors, unmanned vehicles, and unmanned boats. Overall, the Skydroid YL20 highly integrates video transmission, data transmission, and remote control. With support for 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz dual-band communication, automatic frequency hopping, and master-slave mode switching, it offers a high level of flexibility for long-range unmanned equipment and industrial control applications. That's all for today's unboxing and product introduction of the Skydroid YL20 multifunction video transmission box. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the Skydroid YL20, including setup methods, wiring tutorials, and real-world testing, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.